If you're self-employed and earned $400 or more during the tax year, you need to file Form 1040 Schedule SE for self-employment tax. This covers your Social Security and Medicare contributions. With pdfFiller, filling out Schedule SE is quick and simple. Start by entering your name and Social Security number at the top. In Part 1, report your net profit from Schedule C on line 2. Combine your income on line 3, then multiply by 92.35% on line 4A. If your result is $400 or more, continue. Lines 10 and 11 calculate your self-employment tax using rates of 12.4% and 2.9%. Add these on line 12. This is your total self-employment tax. Part 2 offers optional calculation methods if you had a low income. The farm optional method applies if your gross farm income was under $10,380. The non-farm optional method is available if your net non-farm profits were under $7,493 and you've had self-employment earnings in 2 of the past 3 years. Most filers skip Part 2 and use the standard method in Part 1. Calculate your deduction, 50% of your self-employment tax, and enter the amount onto line 13, which then transfers to Schedule 1. Review your entries, then click Done to save the form. Download your Schedule SE or print it directly from pdfFiller to file it later, together with your Form 1040. That's it. pdfFiller makes completing Schedule SE fast and error-free. No handwriting hassle, just professional results in minutes. Start your free trial with pdfFiller today and simplify your self-employment tax filing. Thanks for watching.